Rates, are you worried about them going up? I myself have heard that we are going to see an increase in interest rates in the year 2022, maybe as much as 4 different jumps in this next year. So I'm here to talk with Michelle.oddo with Luminate Home Loans. I'm Jane Fish with Great Way Real Estate, and we're going to talk about what we see happening in the market and if that is going to happen and what you predict, what you've seen in the market.
Okay, well, none of us have the crystal ball, but yes, there are predictions from everybody in our industry, people that we watch and that are very in tune with what's going on. The Fed has already announced several things are happening. There's been a decrease in their purchasing of bonds and treasury, and therefore that causes some issues with the market. We have inflation, which a lot of times will, create an upward rate environment. We've already seen that the Fed is predicting to have at least 3 to 4 increases. However, we're also hearing, and I don't know if this is true, we never know, but there are lots of predictions that maybe in 2023, or even as soon as the end of 2022, we might see rates come down just a tad due to some predictions for a potential recession. So if that were to happen, you might see rates kind of go up in 2022, maybe come down a little bit again, end of 2022 into 2023. And then, of course, the long-term trajectory is that rates will go up. We really can't sustain these low rates. We were in the 2s. These are really, really good rates. When you look at history,
Yes.
You look at from 1980s to current, where we had rates in the 18% range.
Right.
The average rates over history have been more like 6 to 7%. So to see anything in the 3s, maybe even into the low 4s is still a phenomenal rate.
So Michelle, in regards to the real estate industry, how does that affect us with our working with our clients, them choosing to buy now, choosing to sell now? How do you see that affecting real estate going forward?
Right. Well, I think a lot of people have been hoping and praying that the market would drop. Unfortunately, but fortunately, we're not seeing that. And the market's predicted to go up probably another 20% at least this year. So between that and the higher interest rates, you could really find yourself in a position where if you don't jump in now, or at least figure out what you can do, maybe you were hoping to put 20% down, or even 15% down or 10, but maybe 5% gets you in that home. And with the rates where they are today and prices still not where they're going to go, we know they're going to go up. It still might be a better idea to get in now with a lower down payment and ride that equity up. Because an interest rate going up 0.5% or 1% could be the difference between a 4-bedroom and a 5-bedroom, or a 3-bedroom and a 4-bedroom home, or 2-car garage versus a 3-car garage. So it's really important that people figure out what they can do today, and then determine if waiting is a good idea. And pretty much the answer is always no, unless you're just really not in a position to buy.
Right.
And if you're not, we want to get them ready, right?
Absolutely.
But, so that's how we see rates playing into this.
Yes.